What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we have Goku Mastered Ultra Instinct. I've done a couple of these. This is from Dragon Ball Legends. I think it's SP, I don't know what this means now. SP Ultra Instinct Goku Red from Dragon Ball Legends. So this is pretty cool. So I have my first Mastered Ultra Instinct one I did at Goku. It's kind of got, it was when I was doing portrait sort of pages. Now I'm on landscape, so I can fit his shoulders in. So it's kind of like just a little update, right? So just to fit his body's kind of turned a little bit 3/4, right? So we'll just start with his eyes, right? More or less in the middle. It's probably like a little bit over to the right. So we'll start with this W shape that Dragon Ball characters have in the middle of their foreheads, right? So you'll just go, make sure I'm recording. Yes, I'm recording. God, I'm so organized. So we just do this kind of W. Kind of thing. Like that. You can do it lots of different ways. That's just one way. It's basically a W. And then the eyebrows come out from there. So go. So you just kind of tick out, or a check mark or something, and it kind of like curves down to the bottom. And then we have a square end. This is the thick end, and it gets skinnier as we go down. Like so. Okay, you do the same thing on the other side. Check mark. It's always harder going this way, I think, because I'm right-handed. Oh, goes that way. And then we have a square end. And then we go down this way. Make sure you get skinnier as you go down, up to there. So then those Dragon Ball eyes, pretty classic. So we have a small line and a long line like that, and then you just join them together like so. And you do the same thing on this side, long line, little small line, and then you just join them together. These lines can be curved, they don't have to be perfectly straight, but in general that's how you do Goku's eyes. His iris, it's a half circle underneath the eyebrow. You know, makes him look real intense. And we do have pupils in this form. I think I got it wrong on Gohan's new form. I don't know, I can't remember if he, you know, the final Gohan. Can't remember if he's pupils or not. And then the pupil in there. Well, if I get it wrong, you guys will let me know, as usual. We get away with nothing on this channel. Okay. Right, so then his nose kind of hooks out, down, like that at first. And then we bring it around, like so. And then we draw in the shadow on the side. It goes up, back to there. His mouth real close to his nose. There, and he's real grumpy looking, so you just go down and then down there, and then a bit of a shadow just underneath his bottom lip, and then check marks underneath his cheek, or underneath his eye, on his cheek should I say. Like that. And then his chin. So he's got a pretty square chin down here in this drawing anyway. Like so. So then out from there, we bring his jaw, right? So the jaw will kind of go out towards the, like underneath the edge of his eyebrows kind of thing. So, or like his eye even. Maybe eye. Across from the mouth, underneath the edge of the eye, right? So that's where we're aiming. So we go, hold your breath and just do it. Okay, so we're crossing the mouth underneath the corners of his eye there. That's where you change direction and go up the side of his face. so, and then this side as well. Now this one disappears kind of underneath hair, so can't see them all. So his fringe is like here, right? So we got like a spike. Now if you go over any lines, you can just erase them, right? So hair fringe comes down over his eyes maybe a little bit to there. And then like his hairline goes this way. There's like a V here. Then the next one comes out down there. This one goes in that way. And we could have like some frown lines just here. And then some texture on his hair underneath. And then hair spike this side. And so 4 sort of spikes that come across his fringe. And then ears. So big ears. So it goes out from under here, down. Kind of lines up with the middle of his nose a little bit, just there. Same on the other side, out, down. Just about here. And then you can add ear lines inside. So the easiest way is always just like a letter J. You can make it more detailed after that if you want. Like so. So his hair then starts to come out from behind his neck. So his neck's real big, right? He's real muscly in this form. More muscly actually than even the manga when he's in Mastered Ultra Instinct. He's more buff looking. So the hair comes out from here, right? So out from behind his neck. So we got like small spike starting us off here. Small spike starting us off here, right? Then we have like 3 going up this way and 3 or 4 actually going down that way, right? So we'll go 1 up and in. This one sticks out, goes in. And we have the round part of his skull, so like that kind of. It's like some extra lines and texture lines and things, but I'll do them all together. Another hair spike in behind that one. And then they start to go this way, right? So one big one that'll go this way. I think there's another one in here. I'll see how it looks. I'll do these real big ones first. Might need it. There is another one in there. Don't know how I feel about that now. That looks good. Let's see. Just looking at some different pictures now because I need to decide how many hair spikes I want to give him on that side. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I guess I'll draw another one. I won't be able to fit it in, but we'll go there. Right, and there's like a little thin there. And then all you got to do is add those Dragon Ball hair texture lines. So lots of these. These lines that go down the hair, just sort of follow each hair spike. like so. Right, so then anatomy now, we'll go down and do, so he's ripped. So he's like buff out the door, as they say. So, let's see. So, center line for his chest, we're not like bang middle, we're kind of like 3/4, right? So the center line for his chest seems to be like here, right? And then we'll have a chest muscle that comes out across here, kind of bumps twice, right? Real big. There. And then it's got a line going back this way. Down, around, and up to there. So real huge chest, right? And then we go this way as well. And another bump. And then down. Up to there. And he seems to have, yeah, these are like extra sort of pectoral muscle fiber lines that go across like this. And then his nipples are like here. So crazy big anatomy now, right? So neck muscle going that way, neck muscle going that way, going down towards the center of his chest. And then we got maybe like another sort of Adam's apple kind of thing there. Another neck muscle this side, like so. His trapezius down like that. Trapezius is, you know, where your neck sort of joins your back. So his are huge. And then we got like some hatching sort of on that there like that. And his shoulders come out from here, right? So big round, I always call them basketball like shoulders. This one's slightly bigger. So like crazy big, right? And then, so we can see on this side, kind of side of his body going that way. And then his trapezius kind of, or not his tricep sticks out here. And his tricep sticks out here on that side. And then we can see kind of where his bicep touches his sort of body here. It's kind of bicep muscle. But it's also like his ribs and things. So there's lines here for different shoulder muscles, right? So another deltoid muscle that way. And then his bicep here. Maybe like another sort of muscle going that way. Same thing on this side. Deltoid coming down here. Muscle there. Up around like so. And then we could see an ab muscle this way. Maybe some, like what you'd call ab muscles coming out here. But kind of like his ribs as well. He's got this real bodybuilder form. It's massive. It's like his diaphragm. Like that. And then, of course, aura. Going all the way around. Going around the other side. Like so. But there it is. How to draw MUI Goku from Dragon Ball Legends. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.